Hello Crowflock! Welcome back to another video where we are back at the slime pipes. Last time I reached a dark area at the end and I could not continue because I didn't have a strong enough flashlight. I have that flashlight now, as you can see, and we're going in. And I'm also back with another person. Well, let's see. Who's that? It's the Raven. Yippee! You're going in. This is the area where I chickened out before. There's a bird's nest. Big tunnels. So now we're back, and we're not afraid. Oh, that's a good idea. I should probably get my mask on. Right, mask up so you don't die. Oh look, there's fresh, like, little footprints. Animal. Well, they're small, probably like maybe a cat? Yeah, that looks like a cat. Ripping out down here, that would be nuts. There's the manhole. Got an escape right there. Yeah, that's like a... what's that?
I wonder if I have data because of the policy.
That's a lot of roaches. That's a lot of roaches. Okay.
Then you step away from that.
Probably the creepiest thing we've seen so far. Okay. Here we go. We're gonna go around this corner. If we die, the footage will be found eventually, hopefully. And someone will see it.
Mom would be so disappointed. Died flying sewer pipe.
Died in the sewer pipe. Oh my goodness.
What?
It turns into a sewer pipe.
What?
It turns into a pipe.
What? So you didn't finish the tag. This is a nice tag though.
Yeah. If any of you taggers have seen these watching this video, it's very unlikely, but thank you for contributing your art to society. Let's keep going. Water is getting really deep. Looks like it straightens out here. Red Solo cup, clothes hanger. People are partying down here. Cover right here. I'm gonna go see if I can push on it. Trying to light up so I can see. Okay. All right. Well, there's a lot of spiders here. They're just daddy long legs though. Ugh. No, can't push it up. It's too heavy. I guess yeah. So I guess that's not really an emergency exit option anymore.
Yeah, I mean, you could climb up it.
Yeah. Let's hope the pipe isn't just suddenly flooding or whatever. That would be terrifying. The water. Right here. Big old weird waterfall thing.
Oh, that's shallow past that though.
Alright, well, let's keep going. Echo! Yeah, we don't hear anyone else. We would hear them if they were moving. Look at that. Oh, it leads out. In a super mega emergency, maybe we could crawl through there. Imagine we find like a body bag or something. Oh, wait, a date on the wall?
68. So this was made after.
What? Oh, like a leaf fell out of the tunnel. All these rocks just get here. Tunnel is definitely getting smaller now. Oh, okay. Oh, it gets really deep. Oh my gosh.
Shoot.
And it looks like the tunnel gets too small to walk through over there. So, I guess we're gonna turn around.
Man, it's been equally.
Yeah, and I'm like almost mid-thigh level. Yeah, I think we're gonna go back and solve the mystery of slime tunnel.
Leslie.
And we got dates on the walls.
68 again, 612. Okay.
So those could be like that's the date of like either when it was built or
Because yeah, the carpenter draw or wet cement.
yeah, or something. All right, let's go back. Pro Flock. We debunked the mysteries of the slime tunnels and made it out alive. I'll see you back next time. Until then, goodbye.